Hello, I am Carlos Abraham Bernardino Villalpando. This is my final project about my life experience. In high school, I was in the war band. In 2019, I had my first competition where we placed second. I had been practicing, but the pandemic started and I could not do it anymore. Since I was little, I like off-road racing. Going to race has been one of my favorite hobbies. To distress for a while, and always look forward the next race. I have participated in soccer tournaments. Science is the sports I like to do the most. I have won several school tournaments, although I only play in my free time now. I would like to travel to Spain to see the soccer field where Barcelona plays and learn a little more about its culture and, above all, its traditional food. My sisters and I are very close. We have loved doing things together since we were little. She is shorter than me. Last year I entered university. I really like it and I have been studying hard to be able to move forward and be able to work in something that I like. Thank you, listening.